Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tictok, and today we're doing a 24-hour glow up. So I'm here with Roletta, and she is going to do my hair. So we're going to get like the process. We're going to get the process. Oh, my hair does look so long.
Yeah, I was looking at some pictures the other day and your hair was like down here. I was like, wow.
It was, and we just cut it, was done to my neck. And you're booked up on Sunday?
Booked all day Sunday. So
right.
Zumba, then mom hair, then 3 heads of braids after.
Wow.
Yep.
You putting in that work. You got that trip coming up.
Yep.
Yep. So let me tell you about the wedding. So a while ago, last month, a lady hit me up. Somebody hit me. It was a lady. She hit me up and she was like, hey, I'm looking for a makeup artist for my 4 bridesmaids from this date, like from the 12th to the 13th. And I already like got a bad vibe from it because I just don't like the way sometimes people text like, hey, I need you to do some cute makeup. Like, can you do that? Like, that to me is like, don't even piss me off. Because it's like, why are you, that's so condescending. Like, what do you mean, can I do that? Right?
Because what are you booking me for? Why are you reaching out to me if I'm not doing something cute?
Exactly. I need, like, it's just, and it's like, I don't know. And then it be Shakina getting in my head. And sometimes
Shakina,
I just...
what do you mean?
Because every time I be telling something to her, she always like, well, like, no, I need to stop talking to her about business stuff because she's not a business owner and she does not understand it.
She's a customer.
She does not, yeah.
Only a customer.
She doesn't understand it. And it's just like... So I'm like, I don't like the way this sound. Like, why would you even say something like that to me? Like, what are we even talking about? And so she was like, I need this day and that day, how much? And I'm like asking her questions like is it for both days? Like, what's going on? Like, give me more information. It's just like, I just feel like,
especially if you want me to book out 2 whole days.
Exactly, right? So she's like, I need a price. And I'm like, okay, clearly I keep asking like questions
more
in a group text.
You just keep asking about money. Like,
yeah, and she's just like,
you're not even trying to explain it.
Exactly. And it's like, okay, so I'm gonna ask these questions one by one because you're doing stuff that I don't like. So basically, like, I still think I got the text. So.
Yeah.
Hi guys. You want to say anything? Say
I think
y'all need to
has a better.
Put y'all entries in for the prom giveaway. That's what y'all need to do.
Oh yeah, let's talk about it. Okay, guys. So this is my sister Roletta. She's one party of our prom giveaway. If you're in the Fort Lauderdale Broward area, we're doing a prom giveaway ending April 15th. It's going to be a free glam makeover, hair, nails, makeup included, hairstyling included, not hair, but enter. You can follow her.
Be Yourself B
on Instagram. TikTok.
Her beauty experience.
I'm going to put her information on the screen.
These are the excursions that I did in Dubai.
Hey guys, I am back. I'm back in my car. This is how the hair turned out. It is 12:37. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't think it would be this long anyway, but I mean, I don't know how long I thought it would be, but my nail appointment is at 2 with Tazaria. So I'm gonna just take this time while I'm down here and I'm gonna go get my toes done, which I'm so happy, so excited because I haven't done that in so long. I'm not even gonna embarrass myself, but it's been a while. So I'm gonna go do that, and then by the time I finish getting my toes done, we're gonna be on the way to Zaria's house. I'm already feeling me. I'm already feeling like myself. Not gonna lie, y'all. Riding around with a Confederate flag is crazy. It's crazy. Like, that is so crazy. That is so super crazy. And I just had to turn on the vlog to show y'all that. That's insanity. Okay, so we're taking a little pause on the self-care day. I just finished getting my toes done, and as I was sitting down, a lady called me and she was like, somebody canceled on her. She was wondering if I could do a soft lamb on her. We're gonna pause the self-care day because we gotta make the money. The money is important, you feel me? So we're about to go do that. So.
Hi, I'm Tazaria. I'm a Lauderdale and Fort Lauderdale based nail tech. Upscale nails, hit your girl up. It's gonna be on the screen somewhere.
Exactly. So, hey guys, this is T, and she's also in the giveaway that we were talking about earlier. So, she's gonna be doing my nails. This is what we're getting. Very cutesy, very demure.
Okay, I vaguely remember. I don't think I have a charm that big though. I would have to see.
I don't know, and I hope
want
you
the
do.
bigness
because
of
it feels
it.
like it's gonna give like ring.
Yeah, I don't know if I have something that big. I gotta see. I gotta look.
Okay,
I gotta check.
but yeah.
Saturday.
It's not them doing us.
What's Saturday?
I had to help out the dance competition that I told her to go to and promote for the things.
I don't got
So they
$15
need to understand
to spend
that
on promotions.
We cannot afford these tickets at these prices. Like we cannot. And you're
Is that a
seeing
Sony camera?
Yeah.
Yo, that's
because
that
you have
rich
folks
rich.
who just don't have it. They don't
There's
have
another
the
camera
money.
that I want. Okay, so I just got my lashes done. I'll put her at down below. I got it done after a makeup appointment. I had a travel appointment, and after that I had a lash appointment. It's actually a girl that I know from collaboration, so I'll put her tag down below. And these are the lashes. Very cutesy, very girl la la, very natural-esque. That is the end of this video. I have been seeing these videos around so much that I was like, I need to make one of these of my own. So this is my first glow up with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. There you go.